Hello kids, welcome to Kids Vid. Let's learn crawling and reptile animals. This is a snake.
This is a snake.
This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
This is a turtle.
This is a turtle.
This is a chameleon.
This is a chameleon.
This is a king cobra.
This is a king cobra.
This is a sea turtle.
This is a sea turtle.
This is a frog.
This is a frog.
This is a snail.
This is a snail.
This is a millipede.
This is a millipede.
This is an earthworm.
This is an earthworm.
This is a leech.
This is a leech.
This is a termite.
This is a termite.
This is a slug.
This is a slug.
This is a crab.
This is a crab.
This is a grub.
This is a grub.
This is a Komodo dragon.
This is a Komodo dragon.
This is a skink.
This is a skink.
This is a python.
This is a python.
This is a scorpion.
This is a scorpion.
This is a spider.
This is a spider.
This is an alligator.
This is an alligator.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.